usual, good morning, and once again, Happy New Year to everyone. Welcome aboard American Airlines flight number 2412, destination Chicago's O'Hare Airport. Your captain for this flight is Lee Maxson, assisted by First Officer Michael Apka. My name is Michael Sawyer. Myself, along with all the professionals here at American, are certainly glad you joined us. Our flying time is very short, 1 hour, 38 minutes, 1:38. We will be cruising at an altitude of 32,000 feet. Weather in the Chicago area: misty, cloudy, 5 degrees Celsius. That, of course, is 41 degrees Fahrenheit. At this moment, we are going to ask that you direct your attention. The TV monitors looking throughout the cabins for a brief but very important message about our 787 aircraft. Your attention, please.
Welcome to your American Airlines flight. On its way to one of our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members, who all do it for one reason. That's why your safety is so important to us. So let's go over some in-flight instructions so that we can get you safely on your way. During taxi